Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom far beyond the clouds, there lived five roosters, five robins, five parrots, and three fairies. The land was always filled with the joyous sounds of the animals and fairies as they played together in harmony. The king and queen of the kingdom were blessed with two beautiful princesses named Lily and Rose. As Christmas approached, the entire kingdom buzzed with excitement and anticipation. The roosters, parrots, and robins worked tirelessly to decorate the kingdom with twinkling lights, colorful ornaments, and shimmering tinsel. The fairies used their magical powers to conjure up a magnificent Christmas tree in the center of the kingdom, adorned with sparkling crystals and radiant flowers. The air was filled with the sweet scent of pine and cinnamon, and the kingdom shone brightly with the spirit of the holiday season. As Christmas Eve arrived, the kingdom was alive with festivities. The roosters crowed jubilantly, the parrots chattered cheerfully, and the robins sang melodiously. The fairies fluttered around, spreading glittering dust of joy and merriment wherever they went. Lily and Rose danced and twirled in their elegant gowns, their laughter echoing through the kingdom. In the midst of the celebrations, a sudden snowstorm descended upon the kingdom, threatening to dampen the Christmas spirit. The roosters, parrots, and robins huddled together, their feathers ruffled and their beaks chattering in fear. The fairies tried to use their magic to dispel the storm, but their powers were no match for the icy winds and swirling snow. Just when it seemed the Christmas would be ruined, a mysterious figure appeared in the distance. It was the Snow Queen, a powerful sorceress known for her icy demeanor and frosty touch. The Snow Queen had heard of the kingdom's Christmas celebrations and had come to put an end to them with her icy powers. But the roosters, parrots, robins, fairies, Lily, and Rose would not let the Snow Queen ruin their Christmas. They banded together, using their combined strength and magic to challenge the Snow Queen and protect their beloved kingdom. The roosters crowed defiantly, the parrots quacked bravely, and the robins chirped courageously. The fairies cast spells of warmth and light, while Lily and Rose stood tall and determined. In a dazzling display of bravery and resilience, the kingdom fought back against the Snow Queen. The roosters, parrots, and robins packed and packed at her icy defenses, while the fairies unleashed powerful bursts of magic. Lily and Rose used their wits and intelligence to outsmart the Snow Queen, leading the charge with grace and courage. In the end, it was the spirit of unity and love that prevailed. The Snow Queen's icy powers melted away, leaving behind a kingdom bathed in the warm glow of Christmas magic. The roosters, parrots, robins, fairies, Lily, and Rose joined hands and hearts, celebrating their victory with joy and laughter. And so, the kingdom's Christmas celebrations continued, bigger and brighter than ever before. The roosters, parrots, robins, fairies, Lily, and Rose danced and sang together, their voices raised in songs of triumph and happiness. As the sun set on Christmas Day, the kingdom glowed with the warmth of love and unity, a shining beacon of hope and joy for all who beheld it. And so, the roosters, parrots, robins, fairies, Lily, and Rose learned that with courage, determination, and a little bit of magic, anything is possible. Christmas in their kingdom would always be a time of wonder, joy, and love where the power of unity and friendship would triumph over any darkness that dared to threaten their happiness. And as they bid each other good night, the kingdom was filled with the sweet sound of laughter and music, a testament to the enduring spirit of Christmas.